we're gonna do a cupping video for hamstring pain or tightness. We're gonna start with a little bit of lotion. That's gonna help the cups get a good seal and help them move easier when we glide them. So hamstring tendons come off of the ischial tuberosity and they branch a little bit to the outside and a little bit to the inside. So we're gonna start with a cup way up at the top. 1 to 2 pumps on the handle, depending on the sensitivity of the person and tissue reactivity. And then I'm gonna come down and to the outside a little bit. And then I'm gonna put a parallel one on the inside so that we're hitting both strands of the hamstring. And as I come down, I'm gonna feel for areas where there's increased tension, and that's where I'm gonna put the next cup. We can come as far down as that knee joint, because that's where that tendon is gonna terminate. Once the cups are in place, we can do gentle movements with them side to side or up and down. We can rotate them. So we're looking to increase blood flow to this area as well as to change tissue tone. We can also move the hamstring underneath the cups. So if I take her knee through flexion and extension, it's gonna change the tissue under the cups and give us some of that friction, which will help settle down muscle tension and tone. The other option is to slide the cups along the skin. So starting at the top, we're gonna do lighter suction when we're gliding them. And then I'm gonna pull it down that lateral path of the hamstring. I'm gonna pull it down, and then I'm gonna go back up, and I'm gonna work my way towards the outside, and then work my way back towards the middle. And then I'm gonna repeat the same thing for that inner hamstring. So I'm gonna slide a little bit more towards the inner thigh. I'm gonna slide down and up. I'm gonna do a couple passes with that on each side. And then once the cups are off, we wanna do a little bit of soft tissue to that area to soothe the skin, because that can get a little irritating. And then stand up and move around and see how it feels.